Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. And I am Priyanka for those who are watching me for the very first time. So I make videos regarding DIY skincare and makeup. So today I'll be sharing my personal pamper routine with you all, and this is something I usually do once in a while, and I think every girl should do it for themselves, because taking care of your body is so important. It's actually very important. So today I'll be showing you how I take care of my body, hair and skin. And also I'd like to say something, okay? So in this video I may not be able to cover up all the steps I do because the video might end up getting too long, and also sometimes I add a lot of additional steps to this process, okay? Like threading my eyebrows, doing a manicure, doing a pedicure. Basically it just depends on my mood, If I feel like doing, I do it. If I don't feel like doing, I skip it. Yes, that's how I am. So I may not be able to show you all the steps I do, but I will definitely show you all the process which are very easy, very convenient to do at least once in a while for yourself, okay? Yes. Oh yes, and one more thing. In this video, the products which I'll be using, it's not at all necessary that you will also have to use the same products which I use. Just use whatever you have in your house, okay? Just use whatever you have in your house. Go to your kitchen, find stuffs, do DIYs. See, for example, if you don't have a face pack, you can use besan, multani mitti with rose water. If you don't have a scrub, you can use sugar and honey. If you don't have a hair mask, you can use dahi with aloe vera gel. See, basically what I'm trying to say is, you don't have to have all the products to do this process, but you should definitely have that mindset of pampering yourself at least once in a while for yourself. You get my point? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So for the first step, I'm using a cleanser, and here I'm using this Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash. So it contains vitamin C and turmeric. Also, this is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, and is suitable for all skin types. It really helps to cleanse my face, and also it helps to brighten up my skin tone. So I'll be massaging it for at least 2 to 5 minutes, and then I'll gently wash my face with cold water. Now for the second step, I'll be using a face scrub, and this is from Everyuth Chocolate and Cherry face scrub. Now this has to be my favorite, and I'm using this for almost 2 years now. It really helps to exfoliate my skin and also remove all the dead skin. It actually helps in removing my tan. It contains chocolate, which is very rich, luxurious. It's very nice and pampering, Also it helps to detoxify my skin, and cherry, which is filled with vitamins, can actually help to brighten up my skin tone. So yeah, I'll be massaging it for circular motion for 5 minutes, and then I will wash my face with cold water. Now for the third step, I'll be using a Good Vibes charcoal face mask. Now as you all know, charcoal is an excellent product. This product is very gentle, very light. It's a clay based mask, and it's not a peel off mask. So it's very safe for sensitive skin people as well. For me, it just works wonderfully on my skin. It also removes my rashes sometimes. And however, I don't have acne or pimple on my skin. So yeah, you can definitely give this product a try, and also I will leave all the links of the products in the description box below. Do check it out, and you can also use this on your back, your neck. Use this for a few times and you will definitely start seeing a difference, because I think this can really help to clean your pores from inside and remove all the dead cells and make your skin heal a little bit. So yeah, I am done applying the mask, and I will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Also guys, please drink a lot of water to keep your skin really healthy and hydrated. So for the next step, I'll be using a body scrub, and this is from Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Body Polishing Scrub. So take a good amount of this scrub and apply it on wet skin. Massage it very gently in circular motions on your, and this way it exfoliates in removing all the dead cells and dirt trapped on your skin. So you can apply it wherever you feel like you got tanned, okay? Now I have been using this body scrub for more than 4 weeks now, and trust me, it's very good. It's very exfoliating, super nourishing, and at the same time it gives you that even tone skin. Also it smells exactly like coffee. So yeah, it's very polishing, and it's also paraben and dermatologically tested, cruelty free, and it's free from all the chemicals, and it also helps to improve the blood circulation as well. Now for my hair, I am using this shampoo from ST Botanica Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo. Now to be honest, I have used a lot of other shampoos on my hair, but I really like this shampoo. It's clean, dry, and I have extremely dry frizzy hair. Now choosing a shampoo for me is a very big task for me, okay, to be honest. Not all shampoo suits my hair. So for people who have extremely dry frizzy hair, can give this shampoo a try. Also remember, never use shampoo directly on your hair, okay? Always dilute the shampoo in water and then you use it, because I have done this mistake before, and as a result I had faced a lot of hair fall issues. Now today I will not be applying any conditioner because I'll be applying a hair mask, and for this I am using this hair mask from Assure Natural hair mask enriched with coconut and banana extracts, and this is by far the best hair mask I have used till date, okay? It really makes my hair manageable, shiny, silky, soft. I really love using this mask. The fragrance is also very mild. So I have done applying the mask, and I will be massaging my hair for at least 5 to 7 minutes, and then I will leave it on my hair for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with cold water. Always wash your hair with cold water, okay? Do not use hot water on your hair, as it really damages your hair and will dry out your hair as well. Now I am taking this loofah or a body scrub to cleanse my body. And the best thing I like about this body wash is that it's very nourishing, doesn't make your skin look dry at all, because I have like really dry skin. So this body wash is really nice. Also it has vitamin C in it, so you can definitely try this out. So now I am done taking my shower, and I am using this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5 hyaluronic acid serum. I have dry skin and I have been using this for more than 20 days now, and I'm just loving it. This can also be your sensitive skin as well. Also hyaluronic acid is something which is naturally found on your skin, okay? So yeah, definitely give this a try. Okay, so now I'm using this Mamaearth's Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen. It contains carrot seed and turmeric, and it has a SPF of 50 with PA triple. This sunscreen really suits me, and I think this is for dry skin people. However, you can choose your sunscreen according to your skin type, but never skip sunscreen, okay? Now I'm applying this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. Now this is a sample sized bottle, and I got this free from purple.com. So this oil, apart from coffee, also contains rosehip oil. It also contains original coffee in it. So yeah, this is very nourishing and very moisturizing. You can definitely give this out a try. For my lips, I am using this Joby's lip balm. You can use whatever you have in your house. And coming to the final step, I am using this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. I'm applying it on my wet hair. Now a lot of you have already heard about this product, because this is a very hyped product and each and every YouTuber has almost talked about this product. So yeah, I am done.
So I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and also to let me know in the comment section below what type of video you want to see more in my channel. I will definitely try to bring out more video from now onwards. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss out any video I post on my channel from next time. So yeah, take care, bye bye.